Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.5% in the last session. The Ultimus Oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
President Joe Biden said that the United States and other Group of 7 leading economies will ban imports of gold from Russia, the latest in a series of sanctions that the Club of Democracies hopes will further isolate Russia economically over its invasion of Ukraine. SoftBank Group Corp hasn't made a final decision on where to debut chip subsidiary ARM Limited, though the Nasdaq remained the most likely venue for an initial public offering, Chairman Masayoshi Son said. The People's Bank of China will create a yuan reserve pool with the Bank for International Settlements and 5 other regulators to provide liquidity to participating economies in periods of market volatility.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US non-defense capital goods orders at 12:30 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 0500 hours GMT. Finland's industrial confidence will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.